A hugely popular e-commerce business model is a subscription model. The concept with a subscription model is that customers pay monthly or at some other agreed interval for a product or service. This works well with software companies and e-commerce tools, but it's also a great idea for products that people want or need on a monthly basis. The Dollar Shave Club is an awesome example of a subscription service that works. It's also why a large number of subscription boxes have been popping up in recent years. So what are the pros of a subscription? With a subscription model, you have a predictable income which can really help you with cash flow and inventory planning. You can also build a great brand and a good relationship with both customers and suppliers. But there are cons. There is a risk of high churn or cancellation. It can be difficult to maintain value. Essentially, there is a risk that subscribers will lose interest in your product or service, especially if you're not providing a service they absolutely need. Making people sign up for a minimum term can deter them from buying in the first place too. Hey guys, love this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you get all the e-commerce goodness when it comes out. And remember, if you're looking for a platform to build your e-commerce site, head on to the link in the description for your special DashNex PowerTech offer. See you next time.